How to sort crypto on Kraken. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sort crypto on Kraken. Now to sort crypto on Kraken, you can margin trade crypto. Once you have an account set up and verified on Kraken, unfortunately I don't have one, I'm unable to do so here currently, but once you have set it up and verified on Kraken with funds in your account, remember to add funds in your account. Just go to the new order and then you want to select advanced, and then you want to set the terms of your short position including leverage, cryptocurrency, amount, and order type including limit and stop orders. So this way you can sort cryptocurrencies on Kraken. Hope this is helpful. So I'll just be telling it once again. Once you have added funds in your account, you want to go to the new order option, then you want to select advanced and then set the terms of your short position including leverage, cryptocurrency, amount, and order type including limit and stop orders, and you're good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.